What's going on, people? It's Greg with another Excel VBA tutorial. Today we'll be going over how to change the tab color for a sheet. So let's get right into it. Alright, we're going to call this sub tab color. And what we're going to do is decide what colors we're going to be using for our tabs. So let's go ahead and change the first three, sheet 1, 2, and 3. What I like to do is look at the colors. So go to more colors, and then you're going to want to just choose, let's say we want the first tab to be green. Go to custom and then pick the exact color green you want. And then you see this red, green, and blue RGB. We're going to be using that in our code. So let's save that. Let's save that in a note. I want this particular color of green, so I'm going to save 146 for red, 242 for green, and 116 for blue. So now in my code, I'm just going to say sheets, and then sheet 1 tab color is going to be equal to RGB corresponding to red, green, and blue, and I'm going to have 146, 242, and 116. So if I were to run that now, you see that sheet turns that color. So we can continue to do that. Let's pick another color. Let's go with like a bluish color. Go to custom. Okay, so it's just straight up 255 for that particular blue. So we can remember that. So we can use the same code. Sheet 2. And we have 0, 0, 255. Run it, and you got that blue. So let's do this again. For sheet 3. And for the color, you go to more colors. Let's go with orangey color. I like that. So the numbers are 247, 185, 111. So we got 247, 185, and 111. So we can run that, and there we go. And then we can mess around with this and change the number, the sheet number, the sheet names. Run that and see how they're switched around. So it's pretty simple. That's all I have for this particular tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.